What's going on, folks? I want to make this video just in case for whatever reason that you're having a problem with your vehicle to where your brake light just like that just constantly flashes. Your brakes is working fine. It feels like there's nothing wrong with your vehicle, as well as your vehicle isn't making any like weird smells or anything like that to tell you that there's something really going on. But for whatever reason, your brake light just keep on flashing in your dashboard. A lot of times there's one or two things that could be going on with this that causes to keep on happening. So before you be concerned about taking it to a brake shop or trying to get your brakes actually checked out at a shop somewhere, what I would recommend you do is to check these two things first to make sure that one of these things are not your problem. The first thing that you're going to want to do is check and make sure that you have enough brake fluid. Your brake fluid normally is located up underneath your hood to where you would put your oil and stuff at. You want to go up underneath there and you want to make sure that your fluid levels are correct. I'm going to show you. Right now I'm underneath the hood of this vehicle, and this right here on this one is your brake fluid reserve. So if you look right here, you should see a line that says max right here. You want your brake fluid. Sometimes you can kind of shake it and see where your brake fluid is at, but you want your brake fluid to be up to that max line, not over but up to that line. If it's really low right there, a lot of times that could be your problem right there, is that your brake fluid is too low, and that's going to cause your brake light to keep on flashing. And if you need to add some, you just want to take this off right here. Normally you're going to need like .3 brake fluid to be able to fill that back up. You would just take this lid off and fill it up. All right, that's one thing that could be wrong. All right, so now that you checked that part right there, the other thing that can be wrong, which is a very simple fix that a lot of people may not be aware, that can cause that problem right there of your brake light just constantly flashing. And sometimes when you're driving on some vehicles, it'll constantly make like a dinging sound, like ding, 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 letting you know that there's something going on. But the other problem could be, that's a very common simple fix, is that for whatever reason, down here by your foot, where your regular brake is at, right here is your emergency brake. And if for whatever reason you accidentally stepped on that emergency brake right there, maybe you didn't press it all the way down, so your vehicle still will be running fine. You won't feel like there's any hesitation, any pullback, as if the brake is on, because you just barely pressed it down. But even barely pressing that down right there a lot of time will cause your brake light to blink, because the vehicle recognizes that the emergency brake is engaged. Even if it's barely engaged, a lot of time that will cause that to constantly happen. So all you will have to do is find your brake release on this one right here. It's right here. So all I have to do is pull that and see if that takes care of the problem. And on this vehicle, that happens to be the problem that's going on, is that there's actually nothing wrong with the brake fluid levels or even anything wrong with the brakes itself. It's just that the person had accidentally stepped on the emergency brake, probably when they was getting in the vehicle or something like that, which ultimately is causing this light to constantly flash. So what I'm about to do is just pull that release right here. And once I pull that release, you'll see that light go off. I'm about to pull it. See? As I pulled that brake release, immediately the light stopped flashing, because that was the problem the whole time, is that the emergency brake down here had been engaged just a little bit. It was engaged just enough basically to make it to where the vehicle would still run fine without them feeling like the brakes was on or nothing like that was going on. But yeah, it was pressed just enough to cause that brake light to blink. I'm gonna do the same thing again. I'm gonna barely press it down. And when I barely press it, you'll see that start to blink. See how I barely pressed it? Now it's going to blink. So if I'm not aware of that, I could be right around with that light blinking, as well as sometimes the tone going off. Let me know that something is wrong. And the whole time, all you need to do is to pull that release that's on your brake release. And also a lot of time, if it's pressed down just a little bit like that, that means that the emergency brake itself could be making contact some with your braking, with your rotors and stuff, that could basically just wear that emergency brake down even quicker. So if you're having that problem, if you already checked your brake fluid, and that's fine, but you're still having that issue, then like I said, come down here to your emergency brake and just make sure that, watch it come up, make sure that that's not somewhat engaged. And once you do that, that brake light will go off. In a lot of vehicles, you shouldn't see the light at all. This one, the light kind of stays on because of something going on with the ABS brakes. So in this one, just starts flashing. On your vehicle, you may not see the brake light at all unless there's something going on. So if that brake light is on, so it may not be flashing on yours, it just may be staying on just like that, and it could be the same issue. And of course, if it's flashing, it could also be that issue. So either way it goes, the two things that you're going to want to check is make sure you have the proper amount of brake fluid in your brake reserve, which is under the hood, and also make sure that your emergency brake has not been engaged just by pulling the brake release. All right, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.